How to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing the formatting. So in this video, I will show you how to do it in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your Google Sheet in your browser and ensure all formatting like borders, colors, and merged cells are exactly how you want it before exporting. Step 2. Go to the top left menu and click the File button. And from the drop down, you can tap Download, and then step 3, select Microsoft Excel from the list. And then Google Sheets will process the file and automatically download it to your computer. Step 4, open the downloaded file in Microsoft, and then most of your formatting should remain intact. But to avoid any issues, you can double check for elements like custom fonts or advanced formulas that may need adjusting. Step 5. If you notice changes in column width, go to Excel's Format menu and then auto-adjust the columns there to restore the original look. Step 6. Save your Excel file again and lock in the formatting. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.